नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। तहे दिल से अर्चना संसारी घोष आपका स्वागत करती है। तो आज हम नए विषय की ओर बढ़ते हैं। आज का विषय है हाउ एंड व्हाट टू सेंड इन योर प्रोफाइल थ्रू व्हाट्सएप। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करती हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you need to write your full name in your profile. Like my name is Archana Sansari Ghosh. So first will be your full name. Secondly, your age. Whatever my age is, I know, but you have to write your own age because because you're the one who's going to present yourself in the audition. So you have to write your own name. So I will not mention my age right now, or I will never tell my age to you. You have to guess it. Okay. Third, you have to write about your height, whatever your height is. And fourth will be language is known. So language is known, you all know that Hindi is our national language. We all can speak Hindi. But if you can speak English, it will be a plus point because in the industry, it is a basic requirement in today's world, in today's cinema world actually, because you may get work in Hollywood also, or not. I'm not talking about the Hindi TV shows, but I'm talking about the web series and also about the commercial TV ads, and also about the I'm sorry, the documentary films, because I have also done a documentary film. Or so there are some Indian film festivals which are organized abroad. So that will be a plus point for you, that if you know English, you can work there. They may call you and for the audition firstly, and then if you're selected, if you know English, then it is going to help you. And if you can speak Bhojpuri, you have to mention that also. Like, I'm a Maharashtrian, married to Bengali. Of course, I can't speak Bengali, but I do understand. I mean to say that regional language is considered as a plus point in the cinema world. So please mention if you know any of the regional languages. Then you have to also mention that where are you living presently. Say like you're not living in Mumbai and you're living in Gujarat. So you have to write where are you residing presently. That is very, very important because they ask you that if you're living in Mumbai or if you're not from Mumbai. So that you have to mention. Okay. Then comes your academics, like education qualification, like if you have done NSG or if you've done theater, if you're a theater artist, you have to mention that you are a theater artist and who is your teacher, with whom have you completed your degree with whatsoever your teacher's name is. You have to mention that. That is very, very important. Then comes your work experience, whatever you have done. You have done theater, or if you have done an ad shoot, or if you have done photography. I mean to say, not photography, what do you say? Modeling, yes. And also, if you have done any of your documentary films, or you have done TV shows, or if you have done short movies, whatever, you have to mention your work experience. And very important thing, you have to mention your not work, sorry, you have to also attach your audition link along with it, because that is very important. Say if you have done an audition in a positive for a positive character, and if you have done an audition for a negative character, both the auditions you have to send to them and attach it, and you have to send it to them. And also, if you have done say audition for a very simple girl, I mean if it is for a girl, for a very village girl or for a village boy, even you have to send that too, attach it and send it. Okay. So then you need to mention your contact number. Say one may be your WhatsApp number and the other one may be your calling number. So please mention both the numbers. Then after that, you need to mention your email ID. You have to attach your email ID, because say in case your both the numbers are not working, then the casting director can easily reach to you through your email ID. And let me clear one thing, that modeling photographs and acting photographs are different, because modeling photograph will give you only modeling work and acting photograph will give you only actor work. Like actor photographs are based on themes. Like for example, I work as Bhabhi, as a mother. I mean my role, my character, whatever I play. So accordingly, I click my pics. Like I'm at home, or I'm wearing a sari, and say for example I'm wearing a party wear sari, and then I click my pic. Or I'm at home cooking, and that time we wear a very simple sari. A woman wears a very simple sari at home. So I have clicked my pics in a very simple sari also. So there are things for clicking a actor photograph. So modeling photograph and acting photograph are two different things. So please don't get confused. That I would like to clear, and I've made it clear. Then there was a time that people used to send 10 photographs at one time to the casting director. Please do not send so many photographs, because so many photographs are not at all required. Only 4 photographs are required. First will be a close up, secondly mid shot, third full length, and fourth would be a dress or whatever suits you. Like I'm a woman, I like to see myself on screen in sari, so I prefer clicking my pics in sari. So whatever dress you prefer, you can click your photograph in those dresses, and you have to send all these photographs. Only 4 photographs are required. I'm making it clear again. I'm repeating it. And you have to attach these photographs and send it to the casting director. Now I'm wearing my reading glasses so that I can read and show to you something. Say if you have sent your profile to the casting director and again you're resending it to the same casting director, then you have to make a note of something which I'm going to read and show it to you. The message which I'm going to read now is according to the present situation. As you all know that there was a lockdown period going on, and now the work has started in the cinema world. So I will just read few lines. You can make your message or type your message according to your choice. What I have written, I will read now. Hello, I'm Archana. Sharing my updated profile with you. Consider if it's suitable somewhere. I'm extremely sorry if I'm disturbing you by this text, but I have shifted in Mumbai in the lockdown and I do not know any other way to reach you. If you have opened your offices and taking live introductions and auditions, please let me know about it. Love and light. A very short, a very sweet message to the casting director. Friends, as you all know that I am born and brought up in Mumbai, but I have to write such a message just for casting purpose sometimes. तो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच मेरे इंग्लिश को बर्दाश्त करने के लिए, और ऐसे ही मेरी वीडियोस को देखिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो मैं ऐसे ही मोटिवेट होगी और आपके लिए और बहुत बड़े बड़े अच्छे अच्छे लाइंस वाले, मैसेजेस वाले और आपको कुछ नॉलेज देने वाले वीडियोस बनाऊंगी. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू से गुड नाइट. सो फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे ही अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखिए, अपने अड़ोस पड़ोस के लोगों का ख्याल रखिए, सबके लिए मददगार साबित रहिए, सबकी मदद कीजिए. बुरे वक्त में, अच्छे वक्त में उनका साथ दीजिए, वैसे बुरे वक्त में भी उनका साथ दीजिए. फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय.